Today, we're talking about the Polestar Phone. It's gearing up for its grand unveiling in just a few days, and the excitement is noticeable. First announced back in November, the Polestar Phone piqued our interest as a customized iteration of the Meizu 20 Pro, complete with a brand new Android skin tailored for seamless integration with Polestar's electric vehicles. Fast forward to now, and the manufacturer has confirmed via Chinese social network Weibo that the big reveal is set for Tuesday, April 23rd. Accompanying this announcement are a slew of new images showcasing the smartphone's design in meticulous detail. As expected, the Polestar Phone boasts a flat display with remarkably thin bezels, sporting a 21:9 aspect ratio, a departure from the norm in today's smartphone landscape. This sleek design aesthetic extends to the flat glass back, gently curved on all sides, and the robust aluminum frame engineered to withstand accidental drops. There are also some golden accents sprinkled throughout, like the LED flash and SIM card ejector. Check out the Polestar Phone's camera setup: a 70mm f2.08 telephoto camera, a 23mm f1.9 main camera, and a 15mm f2.4 ultra-wide-angle camera. Some of the likely specs are a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, paired with a generous 6.79-inch OLED display boasting a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate and a dazzling peak brightness of 1800 nits. Plus, expect lightning-fast UFS 4.0 flash storage, a hefty 4800 mAh battery, and a 50-megapixel primary camera with OIS. Well, that's it. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed learning about the Polestar Phone, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Peace out.